Well, hello, model car fans. Welcome to the Muscle Car Modeler. My name is Raul, and today I'm playing with my Johan 70 Javelin Funny Car here. Here's one of the instructions for it, and some of the. I'll get back to that here in a second. But those of you guys who have been following along, it's a really old 70 Javelin kit. This is the kit, but I had a built funny car, and I decided to. Freshen it up, which is turning into a full-on rebuild. I didn't want to originally rebuild it, but there was so much broken stuff that I didn't realize at first, and decided to go ahead and do it. Plus, I had this all original unbuilt kit with all of the parts. And if you know this kit, it's got the race car, it's got the stock car, and then the full-on funny car. So it's pretty much almost two kits in one, other than only having one body. So being that I had the other kit, I'm like, well, I do plan to build this car, the actual race version, and just kind of have some fun with that eventually with this kit. But decided I was going to rebuild my funny car kit, so I was copying some of the box art stuff, and I started working on the motor and just having some fun with this. So I painted the whole thing red, all right, and then, which is how the original builder built it. Some of the picture on there, they kind of show it that way. But the tranny was bugging me, and it didn't come out very nice as far as the red paint job. So I decided that the transmission is going to be steel, and then I put this the black pan underneath it, which is, this is all just detail painting. But I decided, all right, and then, to limit the amount of chrome on it, even though I had some decent chrome, I painted the blower with one of the HK markers and AK markers. I used gunmetal on this one to break it up to make it look more like a magnesium blower. Front and rear pieces, and then put the blower hat on there. Painted the butterflies red. Don't know if they were doing that back then. And then painted the valve covers aluminum, so they're steel, aluminum, magnesium, or gunmetal. All these different colors, kind of break it up a bit. So, and this is, at this point, it's pretty much ready to glue in. I just got to glue the oil filter on, actually, which I have over here. So I painted the headers and the oil filter over here white. So those are pretty much ready. I'll need to do a little bit of black on the exhaust outlets just to make them not so, new looking, give it that look. But here, a good shot of the motor as I'm putting it together. So the oil filter, I glued that piece on, but what's right here, I glued this right on the back of it, but one of the times I picked it up, I promptly broke it. So I'll be re-gluing that, but I figured chances are I'm going to keep doing that, so I decided to leave it off until, I got this glued in place, which is almost ready to go in. So here's the chassis, all painted blue. Then I painted the front cover aluminum, of course, and I put the I believe this is the fuel pump for the injection. So it's what I know of race cars. So I put that on. I decided to leave that chrome. Haven't detail painted that yet. I still got to paint the shocks. The coilovers all the way around. I'm going to paint those, kind of break it up a little bit too. So I'll do that before some of the suspension's on. But the engine's ready to go in at this point. So I think I'll be gluing that on. I started working on the chassis, the interior tub, which, is obviously nothing, but it's aluminum, painted both sides of it since both sides are visible. And it lays right on here, which is nice, but the engine has to be in place before I do that. And then I glue the cage on top of it. But, gas pedals in there, shifters in there, painted the shift ball black. And then I did the seat in kind of a leather brown. Just to break it up, just give it a little bit more color. I did the parachute in the same color. So I still have to paint the steering wheel black. I want to do the foam surround in black, get that painted. Haven't done that. And then the same thing with the fire extinguisher. I started painting it. So I did the hose and the funnel in black. I am going to paint the handle more aluminum. Maybe paint a little black dab on the side for the gauge to kind of make it obvious that that's the gauge. But I decided I was going to leave the whole bottle chrome, especially since, the whole bottle was pretty nice. Normally I'd paint it red, but I've seen some chrome ones back at that time, so I figured I would leave that chrome. And, you know, so I got to do a little dab for the gauge on that's visible on the side. So that's kind of nice. Then I'll do the drive shaft and rear end. The drive shaft I painted red. The entire drivetrain was painted red originally, and it doesn't really tell you what colors to paint some of this stuff. And I thought red, white, and blue on the whole chassis would be kind of fun, which is what like the original builder kind of did, except for he didn't do any of the blue on the cage. He just left it, he or she, you know, you never really know, but it was left raw plastic. So there I did this in red. The rear end came out nice in red. So this is going to stay red. This I think I'm going to paint black. It just, you know, the clear and some of the stuff, it just a little dull on one side. So I think I'm just going to paint this black. Or maybe I'll do something silly and paint it yellow. But anyway, let me know what your thoughts are on that. That'd be kind of funny. And then I started working on the rest of the interior cage. So got the steering column in there, got the gauges in there, which slipped on. That's chrome. I did some black detailing to them. Came out pretty nice getting all this done, but I have to glue this on after. Put the brake pedal on, flip it over here, and then the two reservoirs or master cylinders. So for, I'm sure, a front and rear brake system. But you think I would remember to paint the caps black while I painted this black, but no, I didn't. And then I forgot to paint the steering wheel black when I did that as well. You know, that's just how I roll, you know. So I still got some black detail painting to do, but I got to squeeze this in. Matter of fact, yeah, let's do this now. Something to do, but get some glue on my... It's out of view. Maybe I'll move it into view. Put it right here. I like to put a dab of super glue on some tape where I can remove it. Then I pick it up with a toothpick like this, and I tend to put it on here. So we'll put it where the tranny mounts first, and then the whole back side of this. Get some of the glue in there. A little bit more. Let's do it this way. I tend to hate doing that because I've had it burp on me and spit, and that gets messy. So let's get that lined up. This always makes me nervous, especially on this old plastic like this that can just break so easily. And this is when I realized putting that pump on probably wasn't a good time to do it. Squeeze. There we go. Well, I'm at it then. We'll put the oil filter on. Oh, this does not. There it goes. There we go. Then I got the belts to put on. Let's see, which way does this go? Hopefully they line up. Yep, they do. Now to take it off. Get some glue on it. Gotta get some glue on my fingers. I'm overdue for that trick. Get a little bit of glue on my finger. I'll have to repaint that. Or maybe I'll paint the front of the pulley aluminum. But make sure I don't get my finger anywhere else on the tubes. But since I got that on, let's see about... There we go. Hey, we're getting somewhere. Okay, that clears, and this is gonna go. First time some of this stuff's been glued together. Gives me an idea what some of this is gonna look like. But I got some work to do to that before I go that far, and then this, let's see. Okay. All right, let me let some of that dry. I got a little ambitious there, and we'll get the headers on it too here real soon. But I'm gonna let this dry, clean out my fingers so I don't glue my finger to something else, because you're known to do that. Anyways, you guys, quick look at this. Won't be long and this chassis will be actually done. I'll show it complete before I slide the body on it, get those shocks painted. But this one's coming along pretty fast. I'm pretty excited about it. Get it done. Anyways, you guys, thanks for tuning in, sharing, likes, and subscribes, all of that, and all your comments. I really do appreciate it. Those are a lot of fun. But you guys, you have a wonderful weekend, and I'll see you next time.